here is Sparky, who is going to get electrocuted. Found him on Oriental Trading Company for $45. It's a less than perfect, so something's wrong with it, but I'm not quite sure. It might be the eyes that don't light up or something. Wheelchair, got this on Facebook, a group I belong to, for $50. And what I'm gonna do is hook a couple of these pneumatic vibrators up to it somehow, and connect those to a prop computer so the kids can simulate electrocuting Sparky. Pressure valve, got it set right about 70 PSI right now. Goes to a prop computer, which operates the two airline valves. The prop computer has a hand trigger on it, and I connected a strobe light to it, which can activate during the sequence. One motor goes up to here, mounted to 3/4 inch plywood. I painted it black, I bolted it on there. And the other motor is down on the bottom of the seat. And right here, you'll see the strobe light. So once the sequence is activated, it will rock Sparky, simulating an electrocution. Turns out the eyes do light up. It was just a bad wire inside. But prop computer, push the button, strobe light comes on the bottom, and then Sparky. And that's it. It's like a